like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance. Not the life I want to live, I want to take it all. Standing tall, fear outweighed the person you are. Oh, break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
Talking shit just cause I'm yeah.
Smoking, joking, always rolling something. I don't need a key to start my car, bitch. I just push a button, did a show, ain't got $500,000, spend it like it's nothing. Money flowing, never sober, smoking till I got concussions, no discussions. Man, I got a condo and got a big crib, down below where my kitchen is. If I ain't on the road getting in, and I'm in the hood where my niggas live. Did a tour, sold it out, just bought a pound, about to finish it. Now all my pasta guys living in, you talk about it, I'm living in. Fucking room, bitch.
Okay, more drink, hold it up, more weed, roll it up, more there, ho, you know what's up. Quit hogging the blunt, bitch, slow down, pimps up, hoes down, ass up, nose down, bitch, I do it, and it's the life we chose, working all night, where I'm never going broke, and I'ma do this till I die, and I ain't talking shit just cause I'm real nigga never front, cause when you got it all, everybody wants something. Middle finger in the air, no fist pump. And me, Sean and Wiz got the bitch jumping. Finally got the